In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can start up your YouTube channel with just $40, which is about 16,000 naira, and a smartphone. Hi guys, Destiny here, and if you're new to the channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. But if you're an existing subscriber or returning viewer, chop knuckle. Now this video is meant to help you improve and quickly get your YouTube videos out there. Do not really expect a cinematic 4K resolution kind of video or quality with these tips, but you can get real high resolution quality by just following and combining the equipment I will be listing in this video. It's 2022 and you're looking to start your YouTube channel, but you're scared of the prices of equipment and all you need to get started. Now I'm here to help you demystify most of these things and give you a very quick and efficient way to get started up on YouTube. The basic components of a video are three things in my own opinion: is the light, the sound, and then the video itself. In this particular video, I'm going to be breaking down the three things and how you can use and get the best value for money equipment to help you easily set up and start filming and recording your experiences. The first thing we are going to be speaking about are lights. For lights, I would advise that we naturally use the first option given to us for free, which is the sunlight. Now it will be best if you shoot your videos during the day so you can take advantage of this natural ray of light. You sit close to the source of the light, either by a window or at the balcony. Regardless, just find a place where light can actually get in to help brighten your video. The price this is going to cost you is $0, which is approximately 0 naira depending on the conversion rate you are using. I'll be leaving a link where you can get your own sunlight, and that link would be in the cloud.
Will you keep quiet?
Now the second thing we are going to be talking about in the aspect of creating your own video on YouTube would be your sound. Now sound is almost 50% what your video, so you should actually look in investing in quality sound, as this would engage and keep people longer on your page to be able to understand what you're actually trying to pass across. For starting, I would advise and highly recommend getting a lavalier mic. There are different ranges to these microphones, but you can get a very cheap one for about $14, which is roughly 5,000 naira, and it is called the BOYA M1 lavalier mic. Now the good thing about using this lavalier mic is that first, it is very cheap and it sounds professional. You can connect this to a camera or also to your smartphone and just get started in recording your audio easily. Now you should notice, and you would notice the difference in your sound quality once you've stepped up and started using this lavalier mic, which is roughly just $14, 5,000 naira. Now if you think this video is being helpful or you're enjoying the content you're currently seeing, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to gently like that video, because this will help the channel grow and send this message across to a whole lot of other people. Now the final thing I would like to talk about would be in the aspect of filming or recording your video. I would suggest you use something to hold your phone or camera in place so you can get really stable shots like this. I would actually recommend the Andoer mini tabletop tripod. This is about $24, which is roughly 10,000 naira. The good thing about this tripod is that you can not only use it for your phone, but when you eventually decide to upgrade into like a mirrorless camera or a small DSLR, this stand also comes in handy. It is easy to carry around, it is not heavy, and it fits perfectly on your desk or on a surface you want to actually be recording for. It is actually a very good choice for vlogging, as it is lightweight and allows you the flexibility of moving your cameras, getting different angles that will fit your shots. So now when you combine the natural sunlight, the BOYA M1 mic, and the Andoer tabletop tripod, you're getting close to about $38, which is roughly 15,000 naira. And I really feel 15,000 would not be too much for you to invest if you're thinking of getting high quality videos out there for people to watch. Now the good part about this is that if you have some extra money to splurge, or you have some extra income you want to invest for that to improve your quality, you can throw in these two things to help boost your light and also your sound quality. The first thing I would advise now is getting a ring light. Now adding a ring light, combining that with the natural sunlight, you're able to limit some of the shadows that you might get on your video. Your video looks more professional and your skin color actually pops better, which makes your video more appealing to actually work. When it comes to sound, I would also advise getting an external sound recorder. The one I would recommend, which I used when I started off, was the H1N recorder. Now this is an external recorder that helps you record your audio separately so you can then combine them in post. It has a manual gain on it whereby you can adjust the gain and also reduce the amount of noise coming in with the limiter. This is a very, very efficient tool. I've used it for a while and it always gave me high top quality sound. Now the good thing about this is that you can also turn it to a handheld microphone in case you're having interviews outside with people or doing like a question and answer kind of video. You can easily put a pop filter on it and you've converted this into a portable microphone that is also recording sound for you on the go. Now you're going to see ring lights for about $28, which is roughly 12,000 naira, but the H1N is quite pricey and you might be seeing that for roughly $99 or $100, which is quite a lot. But then again, like I said, if you do have extra money to go the extra mile, I would advise you adding this to your setup. Combining all of this, you're having close to $168, which is roughly 68,000 naira. But if you want to get started really quickly, I would suggest you go with the first option, which will cost you roughly 15,000 naira, and you can get started posting up your YouTube videos. We've come to the end of this, and I hope this video was useful to you. If you'd like to see more of this video, let me know in the comment section below. I'm going to leave links to where you can get some of these devices that I found on the internet. These are not affiliate links. I'm just helping you to know the kind of device to buy when you're actually thinking of starting your YouTube, because most of these devices, they have a variety. So this is just me trying to help you and save you the hassle of scouring the internet looking for things up and down. That's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.